I was thinking today, I'm not gonna take my ADD meds. And then I walked into the kitchen. I thought, perhaps today is not that day. It's maybe 90,000 degrees out here. 90,000. I'm bringing you guys along, or I hope that you will come along on the journey. Not just the moving and the trying to organize when you're chaotic, when you have ADHD, but I'll come back to that. I probably won't, but I need to, so. Why do I look over there? Do you wonder why people do that? I should look over here instead. Nope, definitely can't think that way. I have so much to do in the house. You know, moving and working, and I'm doing the floor. And in the house, still haven't organized the stuff. Still haven't organized the stuff. This is the problem with like me. I've got this project clearly needs to be done. Clean up this mess. Got this piece I'm working on. This. I'll work on this piece and get this up for sale. So that still hasn't happened from the other day. So I know some people don't want to label, because then if you're labeled, they believe it's, you know, it can be limiting, like, well, you're this, so now you can't do these things, or, I mean, I get that. But for a whole lot of people, labels are like a burden lifted off their shoulders. I've read it many a time. It's not an excuse, it's when it's a thing you have, whatever the thing is, whatever mental disorder, which goodness knows we should be talking about that. Sometimes people don't know if they have something, and it would help them to know, that's why I do that. And it doesn't mean it's an excuse, but it's a way to go forward from there and understand yourself, because you should understand yourself. You should be trying to figure out, why do I do that? And so if you have, I'm just talking about ADHD. So instead of, because I've heard a lot of women that would be saying, they're cleaning and I'm out here doing this floor, like, why? I'm so stupid. You know, I mean, you've surely heard it or felt it or thought it. We have a responsibility to change our behaviors, manage that better, but a lot of people don't know. And so they just think they're just lazy or scattered and stupid, and they're not. You can't help it. You can help your actions, but I'm saying you can't help what your instinct to do is. And I want y'all to care about yourselves and give yourself grace and say, I wonder why I do that. Oh, okay, but you know, let's go on from there. Okay, new day. Granted, this is funny because look, I mean, you think disorganized personality, I'll do that part later. I mean, paint is just so transformative and so fast and easy and inexpensive. I just love painting stuff, guys. It's not fun. It's because it's hot and it's not like a fun, colorful job. But if it weren't so hot, I would still be going. I have blisters. I sound like I'm whining, but I'm just saying I have blisters and things all over my hand. I gotta keep going, even with blisters, which is like insanity, really. It's not like me. I'm usually half-assed because I just love painting. I love painting. So I guess my business name is a good one, huh? I left myself a walkway. Okay. Okay. So, I guess I should recommend this. This little blurb is just to reassure my mom that I do take a break sometimes. I mean, I tried.
A movie star or drive a fancy car, but I'll be the light of the world. I may never be a hero. Let the moon be our only light.
What?
Like history is.
I think, is that as low as it'll go? Because it's still really high on my... We're driving to Kansas City. Here's the part of the move where we say goodbye to our parents. And Mike's brother and my sister-in-law. I'm gonna go see our parents and hug their necks. Oh, you can see my shirt's just thrown over the seat. Shocking. We'll do this. My arm is tired. Sorry. Hear that? That's why I edit. Honey.
Medium Dr. Pepper to drink.
We're at Wendy's. This is why my vlog isn't a healthy lifestyle vlog.
Dr. Pepper.
We eat vegetables and protein eat fruit, wheat and stuff. He's driving and I'm working. That's pretty much what my laptop looks like every day, except for we're almost there, y'all. I came downstairs at Mama's house and I painted this room years ago, and she wanted it 4 different colors and each wall different for each granddaughter. I used paper plates and paint can lids for those circles. I don't remember what I used for the squares.
So is this a voice changer one? Because I like it.
Okay, it's too soon for a full-on ta-da! So this is just a half, like a ta-da! It's not like a beautiful space or anything, but I can work here. Episode number 2 is where I told you exactly how I did it with the steps, in case you want to do that. These look kind of done together. Work on this piano, painting this desk. I'll show you, I did spray paint the chair. I had to, didn't take long. Feels good to have this half clean. Now maybe I can focus on all of the clutter. Got all the junk over there. Look at that fat pad on my finger and hand. Look at that. What's this? It's like I have a frog in my hand. What? Progress makes us feel good. Progress is what we have to fight to get to. Yeah. You guys take care. I love you guys. Suggestions welcome for any of the things. I hope you enjoy She Moves episode 3. Not gonna lie, still editing it because it's sitting at 11 minutes. Y'all don't want to watch for 11 minutes. Next week, if you have not subscribed, it's here, or I'm new, you know, it's here. Right red button, I would love it. Time is precious. I appreciate you spending yours watching this. So thanks as always. Till next time. Lady, shouldn't be doing a vlog if you can't even say vlog. That's the first thing. That's not hair either, by the way. No, Kristen, no. That was deep. 'Cause history is made at night.